Good morning viewers, welcome back to Madaboutoz. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here today. Not a cloud in the sky, which is nice as we've had a few overcast days, but today is very special. So it's my mum's birthday today and we are going to head out for the day. We were going to head to the Isle of Wight, but now we're going to be going to Chichester, which is where we were supposed to go the other day, but the train messed us around. So it's about a half an hour drive from here, half an hour south of where we're staying, and there's quite a bit to see and do there. There's a lovely cathedral, the cross, lots of things to do and see, so let's go. So we have arrived in Chichester. Journey took about half an hour and it was a pretty nice drive. Now it's time to go and explore the city. Well, Chichester's famous for its cathedral, which is a beautiful large cathedral. Also the cross, which marks the centre point of the town or city, and all the 4 streets go off either way. So we'll head off there shortly and have a look around. So down in the distance you can see the cross. That's the old looking building with the clock on. That's where we're heading down, and that's the centre of the city, and you get 4 roads all going off north, south, east, west at different sides of the cross. And I think the cathedral is just to the left. You can see the spire of it up there. So we'll head there and have a look at the cross and see what's on offer. Another Pizza Express, but again not the Prince Andrew one. One day we may find it on our travels, but as for now we'll just see the other ones. So this takes us through to the cathedral. All pretty old stuff. So I used to come here a lot when I was a younger man, but haven't been here now for about 20 years, so it'll be interesting to see what's changed. Welcome to Chichester Cathedral, founded in 1053. It's a good few years old, over 900 years old. Beautiful building. We just passed the deanery the other side, and as you can see there's lots of little lanes around it. We'll go and try and get as close to it as we can. So this appears to lead into the cathedral. Let's have a look. Yep, so you can get in down there, but this entrance is closed. We're going to go and use the west door. All the interesting, I think they call them gargoyles, built onto the sides. And of course there's the main spire, which is pretty tall. So we're lucky to see this in good weather, because everything always looks better in good weather. And unfortunately when I was at Portsmouth, as you saw if you watched the other video, the weather wasn't so kind on that day, and it didn't look too flash when it was all overcast. So the tour to go in is about £7, which A, I don't really have the time, B, I don't really want to go on a full-length tour. I just wanted to see the building. It's like something out of Batman. It's a very, very nice area, and you'll find that the cross that we saw, we'll come at it from another angle now, and you'll see it at the top of this street up here. There it is, up the end of the street. This building on the left used to be the House of Fraser, Army and Navy stores, but like a lot of things it's fallen to the internet, and not many department stores remain open now. It's just easier for people to go to Amazon, click, buy, and job done. So that's the end result. But 20-30 years ago that was one of the best department stores, and open right here in Chichester. So that's the cathedral from the other angle. You can see loads of planes in the sky today. I don't know where they're heading off to. somewhere exotic. I'll be on one myself in 2 days, so I head home after my 2 weeks here. There's lots of historical buildings on the left. Looks like it was an old post office at one point. Got Waterstones, which is a bookshop, and lots and lots of old looking buildings, which is very nice to see, something we don't get in Australia. This is the cross up close. Sounds like someone's playing violin. And as you can see, it goes 4 different streets, 4 different ways. So we've just come from the Cathedral, and now you can go off down the streets that are called North Street. I'm guessing South Street, East Street and West Street maybe would be a good guess. Some very talented man on the violin behind me, and then this goes all the way down another street. Seems to be some sort of market going on today. Shops are a very long way down though. So this is heading down another street. I'm not sure which one this is. I think it's East Street maybe. Very busy day, which is good to see. People selling all different things for sale. Lots of different foods. All smells very nice. I wish it was smelly vision. Then you could see and smell it as well. So this woman in the pram just asked me for some money for a cup of tea. And to be honest, she was pushing her dog in a trolley thing and she didn't look very hard up. So I think a lot of people were saying no. It's not really a place where you get a lot of poverty, Chichester. And she certainly didn't look hard up. So unfortunately for her, I don't think she's going to get money for a cup of tea anytime soon. Okay, shopping done. Now gonna head home and get something to eat. Don't know when I'll be back at Chichester next, but if you're in this neck of the woods, swing on by because it's a pretty nice place to come and visit. Just heading back to the car and I saw these. Looks a bit like a Banksy. Not sure if it is or not. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. Looks very much like his work, but I don't know if it'd just be on the side of a building like that. But anyhow, if you know, let me know. So it's always funny when you come back to a place you haven't been in a long time and everything's changed, everything as you remember it has changed. But it's still a very nice spot to come. It's the place we went down earlier to go to the Cathedral. There's the Prince Andrew's favourite restaurant, and now we're just going to head back to the car and bid Chichester a fond farewell. Well, we're back from Chichester. It's about 4 o'clock and it's getting a bit cooler now, but the day was good fun. We saw a lot of sights and had a quick look around. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Take care and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.